Welcome to one of the most magical 11-acre parcels in all of New Hampshire. An antique home with privacy, rolling land, and nearly a century of history woven into every inch of the property. Loved and cared for by only 2 families in 91 years, this is more than a home. It's a legacy ready for its next steward. Set on a quiet, picturesque lot, this estate blends timeless charm with significant modern updates. A brand new 2-story garage, freshly built and ready to be tied into septic, opens the door to endless possibilities: guest suite, workshop, studio, or income space. The main house features a new roof, a 3-bedroom septic installed in 2022, and a warm, inviting layout filled with natural light. Step inside and you'll feel the flow instantly. An open floor plan designed for gatherings, French doors opening to the fenced dog yard, and a slider leading to a huge back deck overlooking your private sanctuary. And what a sanctuary it is! A heated, in-ground saltwater pool for summer, a hot tub for crisp autumn nights and snowy winter evenings, gardens bursting with perennials, herbs, and fruit, supported by irrigation so everything stays lush and thriving. The outbuildings make this property truly one of a kind: the original carriage house garage, a cedar greenhouse garden shed, and the showstopper, the Dragonfly Den, a 12 by 20 heated and cooled Zen shed perfect for meditation, art, writing, or remote work with total tranquility. This is the kind of property where every season feels special and every corner tells a story. Showings begin at the open house on November 15th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And trust us, this is one you need to see in person. A rare, magical New Hampshire estate ready.